blue one and tequila to the green one. That's all.
All right, you want to take the first drink of it, or you want me to? Here, wait a second. I'm gonna try it. Oh, that's good. It takes a second to get the taste, but it's actually good. I wasn't sure what to expect. It's kind of thick, almost like it's got a little bit of ice in it, like crushed up ice or something, but
There's rum in it.
no, we got the non-alcoholic version. Yeah.
It's very good. Your turn. There she is. She's going for it.
I had to try it when in Rome.
It is quite yummy.
It's good. It's really it's kind of light. When you first take a drink of it, though, you almost don't get that flavor. It's like an aftertaste that you get that coconut taste to it. It's good. It does seem like it's got like a super fine crushed up ice in it, almost like a slushy, but not quite.
And you said it comes in either alcohol or non-alcohol.
This one you can get rum in it, and this one's the sweet one, the blue one. The green one, I think they said was more of a citrus, and I can't remember what she said you can put
Tequila,
in.
I think.
Tequila. So you can get it with or without alcohol.
Yep.
I don't even know how much it was. I didn't even look.
It was 7 something, I think, on this.
Oh, I don't think that much. Was it?
Well, I don't know.
I'll have to look that up. I just got a brain freeze. You said you don't get brain freezes. I think he already has a brain freeze. I just found the receipt. It was $8.51 with tax. So Gary was right. I didn't think it was that much for a blue milk, but I stand corrected.
The non-alcohol.
Yeah, imagine how much the alcohol one is. Good Lord. That's the price of dinner.